Alright, just got my new keyboard. Let's check it out. Just got this new sexy phone. What's up? I was actually just outside and the UPS guy came, so I was pretty stoked. Alright, let's see what we got inside here. Actually, I really like these kind of packing, actually. And here it is. Majestouch 2 camouflage 10 keyless keyboard. So this is actually the cherry blues. Actually, I have my old, I have a ducky with greenhouse right now with my keychain. She's my key. But let's check this out. Ooh, actually looks really nice. You got your PS2, so you can actually use NRKO. USB. And here's just key puller and WASD green. Let's check out the keyboard. Damn, this is sexy. As you can see, it's actually a braided cable, a green cable. Nice. Hear that? I'll give you a nice just 360 view. Actually says Multicam right there, and this is actually cool because it has function buttons right there to like turn shit up, your music. But you can just check out that camo, it's sexy. And of course, Filco quality. I'm just gonna put on the WASD real quick, and I think I'm actually going to put on this. I might put this as my escape key. Just grab my knife. Nice, and they actually have like arrow keys underneath, which is pretty cool. I actually don't really like these key pullers, I like the other ones better. Just the small circle ones, but I don't have one on hand at the moment, so I'll use this. Alright. All you have to do, if you guys don't know, these are cherry switches, and they all use this. You can get a whole bunch of different keycaps and everything, but make sure if you do get a mechanical keyboard to make sure you get the right ones that will fit your board, because there are different layouts, especially if you have if you get like a Zowie, like I have a Zowie. There you go. Actually looks pretty badass. Looks like, yeah, they actually do stick a little bit. There we go, that one just took a little bit. Alright, thanks guys. Thanks for watching. Peace. Oh, alright, yeah. I'm just gonna show you guys. I'm gonna put on this ducky for my escape key. Sit down real quick. I'm just going to show you also. And it's pretty sick. They are quite deep, like down there. That's the cherry, the blues. I chose for the blues. So I already have a brown board. This is going to be my third board, which is already too much. But alright, there you go.